Those are my crackers. Can I please have my crackers? Hey, wake up. Wake up. My husband is home. You gotta go. Stupid, you're my husband.
You don't do that stupid shit early in the morning, do you? What the fuck's wrong with you? You retarded?
What do you... You're...
Oh.
That is the tiniest finger for comparison. Oh, he's looking at me. Tiny.
This looks nothing like what they do when they're socially interacting with another. They perform all sorts of odd behaviors, much like we might do in front of a mirror to see what we look like when we do that new dance step, or when we just want to see how we look.
Hey. Shazam, open up.
Let the guard come kick him out. That ball hits right in the middle and just enough for the first time. Nice play design and execution by the Army offense on 3rd and long.
You don't think I'm talking about that Mike Webster Pittsburgh Steelers interior line play, right? The trap?
Oh, you don't know.
I've been watching.
So I was sitting here and I had a piece of pizza sitting right there. And I got up real quick and I went and grabbed something. And I was like, where'd it go? Dog's right there and he was laying down over there. Found my pizza. Who's a pizza thief? He likes his pizza.
That hurt.
Literally in the water, he must be so cold.
She's gonna go right into that dog.
This man. Oh, she's literally gonna go
She's
right.
gonna go right into it. Oh my god.
Reverse,
Oh my
reverse.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! This lady! Oh my god! Stop! This nigga just did a fucking cartwheel!
Same 25-second response over and over again. And last night's debate was frequently on the campaign trail. But a reporter from Vox has a completely different take, writing, quote, and this is the title for the article, I saw a Marco Rubio town hall in New Hampshire.
I cannot deal with this woman. She can't.
You want to play a little game?
Alright.